Tik-tik, gusto magkain.
Pakainin mo, dali. Oh. Feed the tik-tik.
He likes it.
Oh, don't eat that.
No, I'm just throwing away. Take food.
Oh, slowly lang. Don't throw it too far away. Oh, hindi naman abot. Here. On this part.
Mommy,
Oh.
Mommy, I can do it.
Sige. Doon lang sa abot niya. Oh, oops. Oh, come on. That tik-tik is hungry. That's why she's too busy finding her food over
Mommy,
there.
Mommy, why his
More,
time?
more.
Mommy, why is the Tik-tik has a time for that?
Para hindi siya umalis. Dito lang siya sa atin.
Now he's happy when he's so full.
Yes.
Ouch! Why can I say Tik-tik gusto makain? Mommy, I can't see myself.
Wait, let's film the tik-tik while she's eating.
Gusto makain.
Gusto makain ng tik-tik.
Shut up!
Ayusin mo kasi yung pag-Tagalog mo para naintindihan
Hey,
mo.
Tik-tik. Down. Hey, no. Hey, Cat, that's Tik-tik's food over there. Mommy, can I put